Muse is a revolutionary AI writing tool created by SudoWrite that is exclusively focused on fiction writing. Unlike general AI models that excel at emails and analytical content, Muse is trained specifically to understand and generate creative fiction prose that engages readers emotionally. It was developed over a year through collaboration between writers, engineers, designers, and creative professionals to address the limitations of existing AI models in creative writing. The tool integrates seamlessly with SudoWrite's platform and is available in draft, write, and expand modes to support different aspects of the writing process. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm signing up for SudoWrite now, and I'm being brought onto this onboarding screen. I'm going to select writing quickly and efficiently, which is how I'd like to be helped in my writing process. Are you currently working on a book? How far along are you? I've actually already written a book. I wrote one last year. So what I'm going to say is I'm just starting out potentially for my next book. Cool. I can't wait to read what you have so far. What kind of story is it? Let's go for a thriller. Okay, cool. So how do you think about your writing? Well, let's go for it's a hobby. Okay, I can import your manuscript notes and organize it for you. Maybe later I'd like to try a demo first. Okay, cool. And sweet. So we're brought onto this platform here. I'm SudoWrite, an AI-powered writing assistant. I'll show you around. When you're ready, click anywhere and I'll type you a quick story for us to work with. Okay, cool. So Robert Langdon awoke slowly. The telephone was ringing in the darkness, a tinny, unfamiliar ring. He fumbled for the bedside lamp and turned it on. Squinting at his surroundings, he saw a plush Renaissance bedroom with Louis XVI furniture, hand-frescoed walls, and a colossal mahogany four-poster bed. Where the hell am I? The jacquard bathrobe hanging on his bedpost bore the monogram, Hotel Ritz, Paris. Slowly, the fog began to lift. Langdon picked up the receiver. Hello? So you've got the beginning of a story, but now you've hit a block. You're not sure where to take it next. SudoWrite can help. Click write and see what happens. Okay, cool. Well, yeah, let's click write and see what happens. Okay, cool. So write looks at what you've written and keeps going. Cool. It's as if different versions of you in parallel universes were writing the next few paragraphs. That's often how I actually think of AI whenever it comes to specifically images, also videos, but I guess, yeah, it makes sense to think of it in terms of text as well. Okay, cool. So write is great for getting inspirations. And as you can see, we've got a few bits of suggestions here. Bad news, doctor, 2 unexpected guests arrived at the Vatican last night. Or we can say, Dr. Langdon, would you be interested in playing chess at Le Ritz Cafe in 1 hour? Now, this is quite interesting. It already reminds me of one of those multi-storyline games that are really interactive, where whatever you decide actually affects the storyline of the game. But instead of being for a game, it's for creative fiction, which is quite interesting. I'm going to go with Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. Go with this one. Insert that in there. Okay, cool. So as you can see, any text SudoWrite is purple until you edit it. Cool, so this is now added in here. You can also scroll up to highlight the phrase jacquard bathrobe, and you can actually describe it. So let me go up here and let's see jacquard bathrobe, and let's click describe. Okay, cool. So, wow, this is really interesting. So it gives you sight, smell, taste, touch, and metaphor as well. This is a really cool way to describe things. In fact, I think this should be the standard of descriptions for everything. This makes a lot of sense. Okay, sweet. So you'll see several ideas for describing the jacquard bathrobe. It's just a taste of what SudoWrite offers, but it's enough to get you started. Have fun and come find us in Discord if you have any questions. Okay, cool. This is really quite something, and I think this is going to change the game for anyone who does any level of creative writing. I've just been going through their tour, so you can actually dive into the platform itself if you're interested. But yeah, this seems really cool, and I think it's definitely going to change how everyone approaches writing fiction and anything creative in general. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.